Hello, how you doing? So today I'm going to make this broccoli. It's just garlic, broccoli, some soy sauce, a few other bits. Super easy, delicious. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So that's about 4 cups of broccoli cut into nice little florets, or 1 head of broccoli. 1 cup of onion, tablespoon of garlic, tablespoon of sesame oil, which gives it a nice nutty flavor. 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. I'm using a light one. About 3 teaspoons there of sesame seeds we're going to sprinkle on the top. A little bit of ginger, which is optional. All right, so wok, pan, skillet, heat's on quite high. We're going to drop in that oil. Now I'm using this oil because it gives it a lovely nutty flavor. If you don't have it, don't panic. You can use a different oil. And then a little bit of the ginger, tablespoon of garlic, cup of onion. Just 2 minutes on this high heat, keep it moving. Okay, we're now going to drop in our broccoli. And you can see how I've cut that. Get some pieces like that. I'm going to add some black pepper, but I'm not going to add salt. You can if you want, but I think the soy sauce that we're using is salty enough, for me anyway. Okay, again, 2 to 3 minutes again on this high heat, throwing it around the pan all the time. Okay, this is the final stage, really nice and easy this. We're going to drop in the soy. Like I say, I'm using a light soy, use dark if you want. And some water. Now what you want to do is just cook this until you're happy with your broccoli. I like a nice crunch on mine. You might want it to be cooked a bit more, up to you. So it's going to be about just 3 or 4 minutes now on this high heat. For me, it's going to be ready. Okay, really simple that, isn't it? Really delicious. Just put some sesame seeds on the top there. Hope you enjoy that. Nice and simple. Keep safe, keep well. See you soon. Lots of love.